Hello, this is English Time with AIOS. My name's Alex Linville. I'm the director of the American Institute of Studies. And this is a pronunciation lesson looking at two letters or two sounds, G and K. You'll see in this lesson that many letters can make a K sound. But it's difficult for Thai speakers because the Gokai can be both a G and a K. So when you speak English and make a Gokai sound, it's often not correct. So let's look at G and K sounds both at the beginning, middle, and end of English words. We'll look at the beginning first. So say these words with me. Great, great, group, group. And remember your hard sounds. We had a lesson on that earlier. Golf, golf. Give, give. So a G sound is G, G. It uses the voice. You can hear the sound. But K is no sound. It's just only air. You can feel it on your hand. So key, key, kiss, kiss, carrots, carrots, queen, queen, Korea, Korea. As you can see, both a Q and a C can also make a K sound. A Q is really a K and a W pushed together. And a Q is almost always followed by a U. Q and U go together and is a K plus a W. So queen, queen. We'll see this with some more words later. Let's look at G and K sounds in the middle of a word. Bigger, bigger. Angry, angry. Longest, longest. Agree, agree. Remember the G has sound. Gr, gr. Agree. Longest. G. The K sound does not have any voice. It's only air. School. School. Tickets. Tickets. Soccer. Soccer. Mosquito. Mosquito. Liquid. Liquid. Walking. Walking. So remember, Q and U is like a K and W mixed together. Liquid. Liquid. The last kind, G and K sounds at the end. Fog. Fog. Rug. Rug. Drag. Drag. Plug. Plug. So G at the end is particularly difficult because in Thai language, when a Gokai is at the end of a word, it makes a K sound, like mak mak. It's a K, just the air. There's no sound. There's no voice. So make sure you practice this again and again. Let's try the K. Smoke. Smoke. Black. Black. Work. Work. Sack. Sack. Unique. Unique. When a Q is at the end of a word, it's just a K, no W. So just unique. like a normal K sound. And then cake, cake. So if you had trouble with that, please go back and practice, because this next section will be very difficult. We have words that are just the same, except one is a G and one is a K. Sometimes at the beginning, sometimes in the middle or at the end. So let's practice our G and K sounds. Ghost, ghost. Coast, coast. Ghost, coast. Bag, bag. Back, back. Bag, back. Leg, leg. Lake, lake. Leg, lake. Glasses, glasses. Classes, classes. Glasses, classes. Ache, ache. Egg, egg. Ache, egg. Goat, goat. Coat, coat. Goat, coat. So I hope you go through that list and are able to separate the sounds. If you say egg, egg, when you want to say egg, kai, nobody will understand you. It has to be a hard G sound. Egg. So please go back and practice this lesson with G and K sounds. This has been English Time with AIOS. My name's Alex Linville. Khap kun kap.